our first question of today. What is the best way to handle this if the manager starts to give developmental feedback during the meeting? What are your thoughts?
So that's why you're doing this. If you go and sit down with your manager thinking, I'm doing this because I want to raise in promotion, and instead they're giving you feedback saying, hey, this is what you need to improve. Well, this is a win for you. This is information that you weren't aware of, or you would have been doing something about it, right? So the opportunity for you to take that feedback in and start to apply those changes is great. It also sets you up to say, well, thank you for that feedback. And if I incorporate that and I improve in these areas, how far out is it before you think I could get that raise or promotion based on this feedback you're giving me? Is it 3 months? Is it 6 months? Can we work out, a way to assess so that when you know that I'm doing these things and I'm proficient, I can earn that raise then? That's how you're turning that around. You want to use that feedback. You want to show them that you're taking it in. In doing so, you expect something back in return. That's really the key.